the Screamin Sicilian frozen pizza. Who could resist buying this and trying it out? Guys, welcome back to the channel. I was in the store the other day, going through the freezer section, and I was actually looking for something to do here at home for a food review, and this guy jumped out at me, and I've just got to try it for you. I've never heard of this company. The box is amazing. Probably one of the most beautiful frozen pizza boxes I've ever seen. And like I said, I know nothing about the company, but I will read what it says on the back of the box. The box. It's actually got a cutout mustache there. I might have to cut that out. Nice. It says, pardon our expression, but an overabundant, individually rolled stone-fired medium crust pizza with mouth-watering toppings can only be explained that way, especially when you're bringing the whole hog to the party. Spicy Italian sausage, premium pepperoni, julienne spiced ham, bacon heaved on top, real mozzarella, and 4 meat square dance that'll make you open that pie hole and give a shout out to your mother, because that is the mother of meat pizza. Guys, I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna get this open. I'm not gonna show you, we're just following the directions. I'm not gonna show you the cook. I'll be back when this thing is cooked out of the oven. Alright guys, I do want to bring you back here. I got 2 pizzas here. Put that cheese back on there. Of course, I got the mother of meat pizza, which is your 4 meat, and I got a thin and crispy of the same brand of their heavily pepperonied pepperoni pizza. That is a thin and crispy crust there for that. So that'll be a little different flavor too. So guys, I'll bring you back when these are done and ready to be cut up. Alright guys, there we are in the finished look. Thin and crispy, had a little cheese mess there. Not perfect, it smells amazing, and I don't think I've ever seen a frozen pizza warp like that. Maybe that's the screaming part. It smells amazing, and I cannot wait to taste this. Guys, let me get this cut up, feed my family, and we'll come back and we'll try it out for ourselves. Let me cut that right on that warp line. Guys, I want to come in here and taste this. This smells amazing, I'm going to tell you. Right now, that totally smells amazing. Got a good, it crisped up pretty good on the bottom. That's the mother of meat, 4 meat pizza. Tell you what, I hope it tastes as good as it smells. I want this pizza to be good because I picked this out based on the box only. And I know nothing about the company, so let's go. That's pretty tasty. I mean, it's a frozen pizza. It is what it is, but that kind of stands out against the rest. What do you think, Mama? She likes it? Yeah, I recommend this pizza, guys. I said I bought that solely on the box. I've never seen it before, never heard of this brand. And I just wanted to give it a shot. Alright, I'm gonna try a little piece of this pepperoni. I bought this because the kids like the pepperoni. They don't like all that extra meat stuff. Very tasty. But I tell you what, they on the pepperoni, it's a thin and crispy pizza. They loaded up the pepperonis on here. I'm very impressed with that. Most of them do not. Very good, guys. Push this down. Guys, thanks so much for joining me for this frozen food review. I'm gonna do some more of those. If you don't mind, guys, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, thank you as always, and I will see you on the next food review. God bless you. Bye-bye.